What's up guys, in this video I'll guide you on how to set up fingerprints on your Samsung Galaxy A07. So if you want to be able to add your fingerprint as security for your Samsung Galaxy A07, what you want to do is to open up the settings of your Samsung Galaxy A07. You can do that by simply just going over to the settings icon, usually as one of the list of apps over here, or alternatively you can just swipe down to this notification center, and at the top you can literally see the settings icon. Go ahead and tap on it to open up the settings of your Samsung Galaxy A07, and then you just want to scroll down continuously until you get to the lock screen option. Select that, and at this point you want to click on screen lock and biometrics. Now go ahead and select fingerprints over here. Click on add your fingerprints, and at this point, to set up your fingerprint you will actually need another security measure. So you can actually choose your fingerprint and the pattern, or your fingerprint and the password, or your fingerprint and a pin, whichever one you want. In my case, I will select a fingerprint and the pattern. I'll just select this over here and then enter the pattern I want in case my fingerprint does not work. Then click on continue. Enter your pattern or your pin or your password again, and then click on confirm. Now our pattern has been set. We can now proceed to add our fingerprint. So click on the done button over here, click on continue, and then you want to set up your fingerprint as well. So click on continue at this particular point. Go ahead and place your finger at this power button over here. Just place it on top of it, and it is going to capture your finger. So you want to just continuously place it, and once it gets to 100%, you're good to go, just like so. Now you want to click on the done button at the bottom over here. Now you can see that this is just fingerprints number 1. We can go ahead and add another fingerprint and use them as security for your device. So you want to click on the plus button if you want to add more fingers as security. Once you're done, you want to just come over to your Samsung Galaxy A07, and if I lock the phone now and then try to open it up with my finger, you can see that it works pretty well. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.